Today we're looking at consonants and one vowel. Here's the first consonant we're going to learn today. Girl. Girl. Round her face, down, and give her a curl. Girl. Sound g, g, g. You try. Well done. Girl, g. It's the first consonant. Next one, we're looking at this one. Horse. Horse. The letter. Now I'm going to go to the side. If you put your hand, you can feel wind on your hand. You try. Say this sound. Good. Horse. The sound. Next consonant. Flower. Flower. Another unvoiced consonant. Put your teeth, just touch your bottom lip and blow through your teeth. Flower. Nice vowel sound now. Vowel sound. Egg. Egg. Cut the egg. Scoop it out. Cut the egg. Scoop it out. Egg. Egg. So I always do an action when I'm teaching vowels. I'm using the cut, egg, egg, So those are consonants and our vowels. So let's see if we can practice writing maybe 2 words. Okay? I'm going to use our new sound and the new vowel, but we're going to use a consonant from last lessons. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, because I've already taught some consonants in the previous lessons. Here it is. Okay, I'll say the sounds. You try and blend the word. 3 sounds, 3 buttons. N. I'll repeat. N. Now I'm going to press the buttons. You say the sounds. Good job. What is that word? N. Hen. 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 So a hen on the farm. Here's the next word. Last one. Buttons underneath. New sound that we've learned today. Good. Well done. 3 sounds. A, t, a, t. Your turn. Well done. A, t. What's the word? Blend the sounds together. Fa, fat, fat, fat. Excellent job today. You've worked hard. See if you can make some more words using our new consonants that we've been looking at and our new vowel sound. Yeah, let's see if you can use them. I'd look forward to seeing your words that you've created. If you make a word, write it in the comments box below and let me check it. All right? See you next week. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.